Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, leave the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, we are discussing on inverse Laplace transforms. Some other examples on inverse Laplace transform are going to find here. Find cos hyperbolic 2s divided by e to the power 3s into s square. E to the power 3s, whether it is in the denominator or in the numerator, then I have to use the property of inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus as into f of s. Okay, this is inverse Laplace transform is given by inverse Laplace transform of f of s, and here this will eliminate, e to the power minus as will eliminate, and it will become t is replaced by t minus a into u of t minus a. This property I am going to use to evaluate this. Okay, I will try to convert it in this form first. Okay, now inverse Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic 2s divided by e to the power 3s into s square. I will use the definition of cos theta, cos hyperbolic t. Cos hyperbolic t is e to the power t plus e to the power minus t divided by 2. That I will use it as inverse Laplace transform of e to the power 2s plus e to the power minus 2s divided by 2, and e to the power 3s is the denominator. I will take it to the numerator. E to the power minus 3s whole divided by s square I will write. Correct? Same thing, only adjustment. Then this divided by 2 I will take outside, and I can write it as 1 by 2 times inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus 3s into e to the power 2s will become e to the power minus s plus e to the power minus 3s into e to the power minus 2s will become e to the power minus 5s divided by s square. This one I can split it into two terms because numerator is like this one. I will split it into two terms as 1 by 2 into inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus s divided by s square plus inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus 5s divided by s square. Okay, I will split like this into two terms. Then this is in this form now. Correct? Two times I have to apply the same property, which is equal to 1 by 2 times. Okay, for first term my f of s is 1 by s square. Therefore inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square, and here t is replaced by t minus 1 because a is equal to 1. Coefficient of s is 1 here. T is replaced by 1 into u of t minus 1. This is the first term. For second term, what I have to use is again same inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square, and here t is replaced by t minus 5 into u of t minus 5 I have to use. Okay, now inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square, I will use the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s to the power n is given by t to the power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 factorial. Okay, therefore inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square will become t to the power 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 by t. T will become, therefore 1 by 2 into bracket t, and here t is replaced by t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus here also t, and here t is replaced by t minus 5 into u of t minus 5. Okay, therefore my final answer is 1 by 2 into t is replaced by t minus 1. T minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus t minus 5 into u of t minus 5. Okay, this is my required final answer for the inverse Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic 2s divided by e to the power 3s into s square. Only thing is I have to convert it into a standard form. Okay, like this. Another example I am solving here. Okay, next example is find inverse Laplace transform of e to the power 3s divided by s minus 4 the whole square plus e to the power minus 5s divided by s minus 2 the raised to 4. Okay, here addition of two terms is there. I will split it first. I can write it as inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus 3s divided by s minus 4 square plus inverse Laplace transform of e to the power minus 5s divided by s minus 2 raised to 4. Now I can apply the property. Okay, that is a is equal to 3 here. Therefore, I can write it as inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 4 square and t is replaced by t minus 3 into u of t minus 3. Okay, my previous property e to the power minus 3s will eliminate and multiplied it by u into t minus 3 and extra t is replaced by t minus 3. Similarly, here I can write it as inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 2 raised to 4 and t is replaced by t minus 5 into u of t minus 5. Okay, its inverse Laplace transform I have to find out. In that, t should be replaced by t minus 3. What is that then? Inverse Laplace transform. Okay, to find out its inverse Laplace transform, what I have to do here is s minus 4 is replaced by s and extra multiplied by e to the power t. That is e to the power 4t into inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s square. Second property I am going to use. In this, t is replaced by t minus 3 into u of t minus 3. Like that, here also same. Okay, here e to the power 2t, s minus 2 is there. S minus 2 is replaced by s and extra multiplied by e to the power 2t into 1 inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s raised to 4. In this, you have to replace t by t minus 5 into u of t minus 5. Let me simplify this as e to the power 4t into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square will become t to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into t is replaced by t minus 3 u of t minus 3 plus here e to the power 2t t to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 factorial. This is standard formulas you have to remember, and t is replaced by t minus 5 into u of t minus 5. Okay, let me simplify last final answer as t is replaced by t minus 3 e to the power 4 into t minus 3 into t raised to 1 is a t, therefore t minus 3 into u of t minus 3. This is the first term's answer plus second term e to the power 2 into t minus 5 into t cube, but t is replaced by t minus 5. T minus 5 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial is 6 into u of t minus 5. This is my required answer. Okay, carefully all the properties you have to remember and one by one you have to apply. Okay, like this. Another example I am going to solve here using the partial fraction here. Okay, my next example is inverse Laplace transform of s square plus 6 into e to the power 2s divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4. First of all, e to the power 2s is multiplied. That's why I will use that property and I try to eliminate this one. This will become, in this problem, I will try to eliminate e to the power 2s. Okay, then, and this will become my f of s. Therefore, s square plus 6 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4. And here t is replaced by t plus 2. Okay, t is replaced by t plus 2 because minus was there last time. That's why minus, here t plus 2 into u of t plus 2. Now I have to find the inverse Laplace transform of this term. To find out inverse Laplace transform this term, product of denominators are there. Therefore, partial fractions I have to find out here. Consider s square plus 6 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4. And here, denominators you can check, product of two terms is there, but they are again in the standard forms. I don't want to eliminate this s square. Let it be s square as it is. Therefore, let me put s square equal to t, so that my s square term will remain as it is. Okay, now by substituting that, it will become t plus 6 divided by t plus 1 into t plus 4. Its partial fraction is a divided by t plus 1 plus b divided by, my convenience, that's why taken, that also can take for your confusing. Okay, let me take t here, t plus 4. Then I have to find the values of a and b. This implies t plus 6 is equal to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 1 at t equal to minus 1 plus 6, minus 1 plus 6 equal to a into minus 1 plus 4 plus this is 0, which implies a is equal to 5 minus this will become 5, correct, 5 divided by 3, 5 by 3. Next, at t equal to minus 4 plus 6 equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 4 plus 1, which implies b is equal to here minus 4 plus 6 will become 2 divided by minus 4 plus 1 will become minus 3. Therefore, it is a minus 3 minus 2. Okay, substituting here, I am going to get it as t plus 6 divided by t plus 1 into t plus 4 equal to a is 5 by 3 divided by t plus 1, and here plus b is minus 2 by 3 divided by t plus 4. Let me replace again t by s square. Therefore, s square plus 6 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4 is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 divided by s square plus 4. Its inverse Laplace transform can be calculated easily now. That is, inverse Laplace transform of s square plus 6 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4 is equal to 5 by 3 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus 1 is cos t, right, minus 2 by 3 into 1 divided by is there, that's why it will become again 1 by 2 into sine 2t. Okay, this 2 cancels. This is inverse Laplace transform of this term. Okay, and here this is inverse Laplace transform. In this, t is replaced by t plus 2. I will get the required answer. Okay, that I will write here as its inverse Laplace transform. I have calculated here as 5 by 3 cos t. In this t is replaced by t plus 2. Therefore, it is 5 by 3 into cos of t plus 2 minus 1 by 3 into sine 2t is there. Then again t is replaced by t plus 2. Sine of t plus sine 2 into t plus 2 into u of t plus 2 is the required answer, final answer. Okay, like this, some more examples I am solving on this one. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, friends.